So this is my 80% win rate strategy in 2 minutes. It's very, very simple. These are my rules on the left here. I only trade the 5 minute and I only take longs because they work the best for me. So that's all I do. And this is all I do. So as you can see here, these are my rules. I wait for a sweep of sell side. You can see we opened up with New York Open here. We come down and then we get this massive, massive reaction where we close over a multitude of fair value gaps. You can see there's one here, here, and here. We close over all of these gaps. So then basically all I do is I wait for a, this is a massive, massive reaction at open here. We close over all these gaps. So we enter when we close above. You can see that we have a massive, massive retrace, but we never close back below any of these gaps here. And then we go up and basically hit my targets, which are buy side. The buy side is here. This was a really obvious buy side, as you can see. We come up, hit that retrace, and then continue before chopping around the rest of the day. But this is what I do every single time. It's not rocket science. I mostly just look for 3 candle pattern V shapes. I'll just go and find one now for you so you can see. There haven't been very many great trades recently because price action, frankly, for the market has been ridiculously bad. So I haven't really been trading too much. But the kinds of trades that I'm looking for are very, very simple like this. You can see there's a sell side here. We come down, we sweep it. And then we come down again, get another resweep of the low here. And then we get this lovely 3 candle pattern V shape on the 5 minute with the sweep of liquidity. Enter here. My stop loss is about halfway between the low and the gap. I target 1R, which is up here. If I can get my thing to do. I target 1R here. I scale half there, go break even on the rest, and you can see I got break even on the rest on that particular trade. But really, this is not a massively difficult way to trade. As you can see, we've got another one here that you could have potentially taken. We come and sweep all the way down into this last gap in the leg down here. We get this really big reaction and close back above the 5 minute gap, as you can see here. At which point you could have taken your long like this. This would have hit 1R and then got break even as well. But you can see this is not rocket science, guys, and I do alert my trades every single day. In my premium Discord, don't go down below and sign up to it. And if you do want to get involved in some free giveaways, go and join the free Discord down below as well. Apart from that, that's all I've got for you. Take care.